can't come tell me. Him never love her, him did not pretend. Who have gonna love uno? Some man would never even ask one man will never ask enough for my two, no. So, me just a show for life, just smooth for them sit down and watch me and do it. So, no, go ahead. I understand. Don't burden me and tell me for me see it coming. Me expect it. Me sit down and wait and say, God, how this I go end? And God help me that I come here one day before I come here. And still I say me the run or left man, but I still not see the blessing that God give me. I come a day before, and she come in and staying on my bed. Was Mom, I'm sorry. No matter what no one tell me say. No matter no one tell me say me run of that, me win no. Me conquer no. You understand? Me not ungrateful to life. Me not mourn over spilled milk. Me wipe up clothes. But when I depend my milk should dash them. You understand? So when I say I'm mad, I break down. I'm too positive. I'm too focused. I shout at the Lord as this is. Look how much different mood I'm going now. Everybody go through violation. You're there at work, your boss violate you. Sometimes your mother violate you. Sometimes your father. Life. But it's what come after it. So don't sit there, ladies. Men, you know how much man call blood into little something? I mean, I really think. Show do it, God. Me I go sit down and come, make you comfort me. Not me, and I not take my blood energy. You see, my husband could have looked at me as an old fool. Him could have take all of my asset them and do what he want to do with them. All them things that bun, do what you need to pull more weight. You need to tighten up. You understand me? Do it. Me go somewhere at my work and me give the money. You not check the money. Them little things there. And when me say, do you not check the money? No, baby girl, check the money, do it. Simple things like those. We are human. It happens. Me I want a long time I work with money per finger, I sell teeth and clothes, I do this, I sell here. So me know say business like that. When you as you get people money, you have to check it. Do we go in the army? Do it in a barber one night time, him the work a call center. Do it speed and my speed is totally different. Me the 80% I do it speed. So that 20 way him have, it take a lot of patience. Out of love, I've been patient, and I don't mind because I know what I signed up for. But you see, through him now, blood communicate with me. And it's not just my morning. I use unstage for example. It's one stupidness man do you argue from with me start talking not answer me. I want to do that type of thing. Him not answer. I not justify myself about doing mother, you know. But don't tell her already, you know. My sister, the woman, don't like me. She rate me to fair son, which any woman would. But she still don't like me. And for that, I will stand my composure. You can't have that take son send go family yard. Crazy? Me I gonna make do it cool out. I say no, something like that. You can't acknowledge me and do that. That's gonna be wild. Me not believe that we're going on against it. Me never have that in my intention. Me never, anywhere do we go feel go comfortable. Me know my husband, him don't even go have somebody toilet. If do we come at your house right now, stand up right there. Say if you not tell him move him, now move. My husband full of principle. I'm very humble. So it's not about to feel same running with woman. If do we run with that woman right now, him trick me. My spirit to that tell me. You understand? That's not my fear. My fear is the people are getting them head. And they get to him, I get to them, I get to them head. So I kiss batty man, and I disgrace him. So they tell him, come out. You know what I mean to say to me, I say, come out. Why? Me hear your mother on the phone, me shame. So the shame my mom because she hear me, baby, you never tell me say she left on the phone. I say, take out your blood and go to your mama. We all rock them way then. So if she take it up and fear head and send Uber. Remember me no know who are coming up there, I wait and I say, any me I war them blood, them not take out my husband. Them no one going away either. It's just flare with flare. So from this, My sister send the Uber, then me did send, go tell her, I said, me send her a visa. Me say, what did you tell me happy anniversary? True, me and son have something, I will come back to England, you know, tell me happy anniversary. But you call me to talk about your son present, where you send for you. So you could have the decency to tell me happy anniversary. So I voice note you. So the voice note, when I voice note her, and she don't answer me, and she block me. Me I say, okay. Then when the son run, I say, okay. So listen, everybody have family law tanglings, in-law tanglings, father tanglings, sister tanglings, cousin, shit happened. So they can rise above it and stand firm. That's the killer. You understand? Mash, move that phone from this. I can't get through the comments. Then. The phone out there, so baby, money not going there, so darling. That's my... You don't put money there, March. Oh, shut up, March. I'm going to let nobody thief the money. I hide it so far. Yeah. The phone up on this, I move it from that spot because I can't see. No, baby, my next phone out there. It's sweet, me want to help me done him. You understand? But me now make no pass in no place too far. Because there was a time when you need a certain call. So you have two friends and one friend that want to talk to you, rally back on the next. Talk to me. So I'm rally back pound. So I take my pain and my feelings, but still someone overdo it. I still not remember say there's a boundary. You have to have boundary in everything you do. You understand? Don't carry it in here, baby. That's why I say change the position. It's a go echo if you bring it in here. Yeah, so right here. Nice, sweet, relax. As I said to my daughter yesterday, she said, Mommy, stop it. Me not like it. Me say, Nas. Me not like it either. That's why I do it. Me not like how I feel. Until me satisfy myself, me not go done. And me say, Nas, you know the funniest thing? It's how me cuss and I behave now. It's how me cuss and I behave now. Me not have no blood pressure, no headache. And me there, me and do a ramp where I run up and down, run down. You ever see me and do a ramp it? If do it come and see me now, him jump on me on the bed, me jump on him and we ramp. And me and do a ramp and live happy and me head a tear off later. Whoa, it warm to my head. So, life is what you make of it. When the times come, you just take it as it comes. Blood pressure, me not have no blood pressure today. Me test my blood pressure at it now, man. I'm going to tell you next week when I'm alright and now, because my blood pressure, I look on the dirty pressure. What Psalms is that, Marsh? Psalm 7. Okay.